Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can watch Tubi on a Nintendo Switch. Let's get started. Now here I have a quick AI overview from numerous reliable sources. Unfortunately, Tubi, which is the free streaming service, is not directly available on the Nintendo Switch. The Nintendo Switch does not have an app store or built-in streaming capabilities, so therefore you cannot watch Tubi on your Nintendo Switch. But you, however, can connect Tubi on a TV connected to your Switch. All you simply need to do is download the Tubi app. If you have a smart TV, you have a streaming device like Roku or Amazon Fire, visit your device's app store and search for Tubi. Install the device, sign up, connect your Nintendo Switch to your TV using an HDMI cable, and once connected, launch the Tubi app on your smart TV or streaming service, and you should be able to watch Tubi on your TV screen even while your Switch is playing games or running other content. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.